Meaning of Grand Duchess.
Grand Duchess.
Grand Duchess.
Grand Duchess.
Grand Duchess. A Grand Duchess is a female monarch or the wife of a Grand Duke, who is the ruler of a Grand Duchy. The title of Grand Duchess holds a higher rank than that of a Duchess and is equivalent to a Queen in status. In some cases, the position of Grand Duchess is hereditary, and the individual who holds this title may have certain ceremonial or political duties. Historically, Grand Duchesses often played important roles in royal courts and were responsible for hosting events and representing their countries on diplomatic occasions.